In this video, we will share how to set up a home cinema in a 4-room HDB BTO. Thank you LUMOS for sending us this projector for review. Ever dreamt of having your very own home cinema where you can watch your favorite movies or simply Netflix and chill? Enter the smart projector that will not burn a hole in your pocket. This is the new LUMOS AURO Pro Smart Projector. The LUMOS AURO Pro is the new and upgraded version of the previously well-received LUMOS AURO. The new projector comes in a nice metallic silver and grey finish with a similar form factor from the previous version. There is a fabric with LUMOS logo at the front of the projector, as well as a plastic lens cap to protect the lens of the projector. The overall simplistic and modern design of the exterior helps it blend into the decor of your room. While the external appearance is largely similar to the previous older cousin, the Pro version is now 67% brighter than before, at an enhanced brightness of 10,000 lumens with capability to display a greater range of more vivid and brighter colors compared to its predecessor, suitable for usage even in daylight or ambient lighting. It boasts a 1080p Full HD native resolution and can project up to an impressive 100-inch screen at approximately 3 meters of distance according to LUMOS. With a shot throw ratio of 1.3 to 1, the projector is good for smaller living rooms or bedrooms in HDBs such as ours with spatial constraints. We use our projector with a standing projector screen, projecting up to 84 inches, approximately 2.7 meters away from the screen. Although there is some slight blurring occurring at the edges, in particular for small text, but this is hardly noticeable when playing visual video content. The projector comes with manual vertical Keystone Correction up to 15 degrees by adjusting the knob on the top of the projector, and also comes with an adjustable screw that allows the projector to be tilted upwards from the horizontal position. In addition, there is also digital, vertical and horizontal Keystone Correction up to 30 degrees. However, the best feature is the 4-point Keystone Correction in the smart projector, which allows the projector to be placed conveniently at the corner of the room while still projecting a 16:9 screen squarely on the wall or screen after correction. This greatly frees up the limitation of requiring the projector to be set up in the middle of the room. There are also additional adjustment settings for the level of zoom for better optimization of the projected image. The LUMOS AURO Pro Smart Projector runs on Android 9, supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and comes with inbuilt Netflix and YouTube apps pre-installed. You can now search and browse for your favorite movies and shows and project it on a large screen just like a smart TV. In addition, you can even download your favorite shows or movies directly onto the projector so that you can play them offline if need be. There are also mirror casting apps such as AirScreen and Mirrorcast that allow you the flexibility to project your phone or tablet display onto the projector screen if you want to share your content wirelessly from your mobile device. That said, there are multiple wired input options for the projector, including 2 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, and audio output, as well as a AV VGA ports for your legacy devices. You can easily hook up your laptop to play your own media or your favorite PlayStation, Xbox or Nintendo Switch and play multiplayer games such as Mario Kart, where everyone gets a sizable share of a larger split screen. With the USB ports, you can easily plug in a USB stick of your media content or even use it to connect a wireless keyboard or mouse to enhance the experience with the OS menu, even though it does come with a remote control that is intuitive and easy to use. The projector has inbuilt speakers which support Dolby audio and produces a surprisingly high quality of sound as compared to standard projectors out in the market. In any case, Pairing with an external Bluetooth speaker is a quick and fast-free alternative if you do happen to have a better external speaker.
안녕하세요. 저는 스켈레톤 탔었던 윤성빈이라고 합니다. 평창 동계올림픽에서 금메달 땄었고요. 올림픽에 참가하는 선수들 같은 경우에는 본인을 어필하거나 내기를 할 수 있는 기회가 많이 없어요. 4년에 한 번 딱 올림픽 그때뿐이다 보니까 금방 잊혀지는 경우가 많은데.
The new LUMOS AURO Pro is priced at only $399 and the AURO Pro Smart at $498 with 1-year local warranty. We would recommend the smart version of the projector as it comes with quite a few useful features such as the 4-point Keystone Correction and better connectivity with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and inbuilt apps like YouTube, Netflix and casting apps. At this price point, the LUMOS AURO Pro Smart Projector is a steal if you want to set up a budget-friendly home cinema of decent quality, flexibility and ease of use. The projector does come with a few accessories such as the RIZE adjustable projector stand, the wall projector screen, and the LUMOS Mode lighting projector. In conclusion, if you love watching movies and wish to have a home cinema setup without breaking the bank, this may be the projector for you. With improved brightness and color quality, the ability to project up to 100 inches, coupled with inbuilt connectivity with YouTube and Netflix apps, the LUMOS AURO Pro Smart Projector makes for a great home cinema projector option for an awesome audio-visual experience at this price point. You can also check out tons of other 5-star reviews from their website and support your local brand. The links to the products are in the description box below. If you have any questions or comments, we would love to hear them in the comment section below. Do leave a like and subscribe and turn on notifications to continue supporting our channel. Till next time, thank you.